This is a industrial mixer. The word is Aikosha, Akosha, manufacturing company. Serial number there was DOB DQB Q069, made in Japan. Wire unit is currently wired for 208 3-phase or 240 3-phase. That's what we're running it at the moment, actually. It has a jacketed kettle, and it is set up for vacuum. I don't know whether or not you would need a sealing ring to go around here or not, but I don't think so because it's not set up that way. But anyways, currently have it powered up, so it's got a power up, power down. The bowl's all the way down right now, but let it come up. Back up a little bit. And I'm not going to set it up all the way. I'll show you in a second. It'll stop about 3 inches from the top there. And I was just going to do it so I can show you the unit working. So this, according to it, is in closed position. It does have a timer on it, but we're not going to use that. And I just wanted to let you see it working. And it operates nice and smooth. This disengages it. If you wanted to do something. Not sure why, but that does. Now I'm going to stop this for a second, and then I'm going to push bowl up. And then that comes up just about there. Pretty good seal there. And then again, still operates, and you can kind of see it there through the sight window. It's got a vacuum gauge and an oil gauge and a air gauge, and down here you can see that it's got for coolant inlet and outlet, and then maybe this is an expansion. Looks like an expansion valve. And then it's got a quick release at the bottom to dump whatever you had in there. A nice quiet unit, operates great. ACM. I can flip this open. See the insides there. And then I'm going to hit stop this, hit off, and that's the unit. As noted, this is a cover for this, but this plate it's dry. It really needs to be oiled. If you oil the plate, it wouldn't shudder like that. And it doesn't shudder on the way up, but that's a whole other story. That guesstimates about 1,500 pounds, so it's going to have to be truck freight, obviously. That's the unit. If you got any questions, concerns, wanted me to do something, measure something, let me know. Thank you.